I'm going to show you how to change the battery on this key fob. This is a Honda / Acura remote start. This one's out of an Acura, but the Honda ones are the exact same. Okay, so here's what you need. You need a screwdriver, flat blade screwdriver, and then you also need the battery. This takes one 2032 battery. Get these on Amazon, really inexpensive. There's a link below in the description that will take you straight to Amazon. You can get what you need. All right, let's get started. So, what you want to do is on the back side, on this end, there's a little groove right there. You see that? All right, so basically push, twist, kind of rock it back and forth. There you go. Okay, so there's your old battery, and this little side right here, you can just kind of prop that out like that. Okay, now your new battery, you're gonna want to make sure it goes plus side up. So plus side up. Hold on, that didn't work. Plus side up, and put your backpack on. Give it a good squeeze. You can test it out real quick. All right, we're all set. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button.